Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about the ultimate guide to preventive maintenance scheduling. Let's jump right into it. The ultimate guide to preventive maintenance scheduling. Preventive maintenance, PM scheduling, is a proactive approach that ensures equipment is regularly serviced before failures occur, increasing efficiency, reducing downtime, and extending the life of machinery. This blog dives into how preventive maintenance scheduling works and its importance for smooth operations in industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and more. What is preventive maintenance scheduling? Preventive maintenance scheduling involves planning regular maintenance tasks based on time, usage, or condition triggers to keep equipment in optimal working condition. It focuses on early detection and correction of potential issues before they cause breakdowns, leading to smoother operations and cost savings. Key components of preventive maintenance scheduling. Asset inventory. The first step is creating a complete list of equipment and assets that require regular maintenance. Each asset should be cataloged with details like make, model, serial number, and operational requirements. Maintenance tasks. For each asset, specific preventive tasks should be defined. These could include inspections, cleaning, lubrication, calibration, part replacements, and software updates. Tasks vary based on the type of equipment and industry. Maintenance intervals. Scheduling maintenance tasks at the right time is crucial. Maintenance intervals are based on several factors, including time-based maintenance performed at regular intervals, daily, weekly, monthly. Usage-based maintenance triggered by usage, such as hours of operation or production cycles. Condition-based maintenance done based on equipment performance metrics like vibration or temperature changes. Assigning technicians. Qualified personnel need to be assigned to perform the tasks. Their availability, skill set, and experience must align with the maintenance job to ensure effectiveness. Tools and parts inventory. Having the necessary tools, equipment, and spare parts ready ahead of time is key to preventing delays. It's important to ensure the parts are readily available for the specific maintenance task. Documentation. Maintaining accurate records of maintenance activities is essential. This includes details on tasks performed, parts used, issues found, and technician comments. This documentation helps track the asset's history and informs future decisions. Steps in preventive maintenance scheduling. Define maintenance requirements. For each asset, define the maintenance requirements based on manufacturer recommendations, equipment condition, and operational environment. Establish priorities. Assets critical to the operation must be prioritized. Identify the most vital machines and systems that could cause significant disruption if they fail. Develop a maintenance plan. Using software or manual methods, create a structured maintenance plan that outlines when and how each task will be carried out. Schedule the maintenance. A calendar-based or automated system helps to schedule tasks efficiently. Preventive maintenance software can provide alerts for upcoming tasks, ensuring no maintenance is missed. Monitor and adjust. Track the maintenance activities, measure the performance, and adjust the schedule as necessary. If certain equipment requires more frequent servicing or adjustments, the schedule should be updated. Benefits of preventive maintenance scheduling. Increased equipment. Lifespan. Regular maintenance extends the life of machinery and reduces the need for costly replacements. Reduced downtime. By addressing potential problems before they cause breakdowns, businesses experience fewer interruptions. Improved safety. Preventive maintenance ensures equipment operates safely, reducing the risk of accidents. Cost savings. Fewer emergency repairs and unplanned outages result in lower costs for businesses. Regulatory compliance. Many industries, such as healthcare and manufacturing, require compliance with safety and maintenance standards, which preventive maintenance supports. Preventive maintenance software. Using preventive maintenance software can simplify the scheduling process. These systems can automate task scheduling, provide real-time alerts, track asset history, and generate reports, improving efficiency and accountability. Conclusion. Preventive maintenance scheduling is a vital aspect of asset management that can save time, money, and resources. By implementing a structured maintenance plan, businesses can enhance equipment reliability, safety, and performance, ensuring smooth operations and minimizing the risk of unexpected failures. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.